Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, but her name for this channel is simply Grace Lifestyle. Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Now, this is an open collab, so I would really appreciate it. In addition to watching my channel, please slide by these other channels and check them out. See what they have for you today for quick and easy meals. Today, guys, I am doing something. I'm going to try to really focus this year on, appetizers, desserts, and dinners that are truly quick and easy. Now, it may not always happen because, life happens. But today, I want to try something that is supposed to be, I don't know how quick it is, but it's supposed to be easy. So this is what I have today. It's Jennie-O. It's oven ready, and it goes from the freezer to the oven in 5 minutes. So, this is a boneless turkey breast, and I have had some ground turkey from this company before, and they were actually pretty good. I don't think I had seen this brand until most recently. Usually I use like Butterball, and then there was another one. I can't think of the name of it. But it's another brand that Safeway sells on the East Coast. But anyway, I tried this brand once, Jennie-O, and it, was pretty good. So, the instructions are you take it out of the wrapping, of course, the packaging, and then you leave it in the wrapping and you put it in a roaster. And I love this roaster. If you don't have a roaster, y'all need to get a roaster. Because in my opinion, roasters, I don't know what it is about them. Y'all probably can tell me the answer. But typically, if you make something in a roaster, it always tastes good. I don't know what it is. I don't. So anyway, I'm going to cut this open. Well, maybe, let's see, I can tear it open. And this is what it looks like this is the gravy, which I'm going to make my own gravy. But anyway, so here are the directions. So I need to preheat my oven to 375, which I'm going to do. You remove the turkey breast from the outer package only, and you do not remove from the cooking bag. So they want you to, you can't grill it, can't prepare it in an electric roaster, and you can't microwave it, of course. And so I guess you can't air fry it either. I wouldn't do that either. So you place this roasting in a roasting pan with at least 2 inches high on the sides. You cut 3 half-inch slits in the top of the cooking bag. You place the pan in the oven, allowing room for the bag to expand without touching the oven racks or walls, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today. And so, I like this type of dinner, and let me just show you the size of it. It's not that big, but it's only the 2 of us here. So, so this should work. This should work for the day. And what I like about this type of meal, like I said, it's not necessarily quick, but it is easy. Let me see how long. So, you're gonna start checking the temperature of this after 2 hours. It may take up to 3 hours to cook. So now, like I said, while it's not quick, it is definitely easy because I'm going on to do some things upstairs, and I'm gonna put that in a separate video. So this is easy because it's Sunday. We just got finished this big snow, and I did say in another video that it wasn't gonna snow. I was lying because it did snow a little. So we have about, I don't know, maybe 2 inches of snow ice. It's like, but it's stuck because it's super cold. So this is really easy because this affords me the opportunity to pop this in the oven and move around and do some other things, okay? Y'all like that, right? Okay. keep watching. All right, so I made my 3 slits at the top. You can't see them, but I did make my 3 slits at the top. I turned on the oven at 375. One other thing I forgot to mention that is on here at the bottom, you can prepare this in a slow cooker. So you can do it in your crock pot, which is, which is nice as well. So they have separate directions for that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven. And so anyway, I'll come back now to show you what it looks like at the end. At the end, of course, you take it out of the wrapping. I'm gonna pour some gravy over it, and paired with this oven roasted turkey breast, I'm going to make, I'm telling you, this is real easy today. I'm gonna do some Bob Evans mashed potatoes. I had them once before for the first time, and I actually thought they were really good for a pre-prepared side. I thought they were actually pretty good. And then I'm gonna have some green beans. Okay, so this is like super easy. And over the weekend, I guess I had some pinto beans, rice, and cornbread because it was cold, and that has a lot of protein in it, keep you full. So it was good, and this was a relaxing weekend because of the snow. I think I watched 4 movies. So I watched a couple of rom-coms, then I watched Rip with Ben Affleck and Matt Damon. And then I watched One Battle After Another with Leonardo DiCaprio, Tiana Taylor, which she was actually in both of them. So I like Rip the best. I didn't particularly care for One Battle After Another all that much. But I did like Rip. It had a nice twist at the end, I thought. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna come back for the reveal. All right, so here we are out of the oven, and I'm going to add just a little touch of sea salt and some Badia Saison Complete seasoning and some black pepper, just a little bit. I also added a little bit of paprika, so I'm gonna pop this back in the oven. This time I'm gonna put a top on it, and let's say I'm gonna leave it in for about 10 minutes. All right, we have our Jennie-O's turkey breast smack out of the oven, so I'm gonna slice it and plate it with the mashed potatoes and green beans for the reveal. Here's the reveal. We have our Jennie-O turkey breast covered in gravy. We have our Bob Evans mashed potatoes and some green beans, and this is our Sunday dinner. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like my meal today, please give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment box below and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my growing channel. Please don't forget to stop by the other ladies' channels and see what they have cooking up for you today on quick and easy meals. You guys be blessed, stay safe, and until the next one, bye-bye.